As you evolve in life, you can fulfill all your goals and family's dreams with an assurance of income at every stage of life. Here's a product that empowers you to secure your legacy with financial stability till 100 years of age. Presenting SBI Life Smart Lifetime Saver. It offers life cover and provides regular incomes through guaranteed survival income and non-guaranteed survival income, that is cash bonus if declared, to help build a legacy with maturity benefit payable at the end of policy term. Let us see how the plan works. This plan offers choice between 3 premium payment terms of 10, 12 and 15 years. Guaranteed survival income begins from the end of chosen premium payment term and will depend on PPT and annualized premium. From the end of 7th policy year, non-guaranteed survival income starts in form of cash bonuses. The plan also provides you with flexibility to defer and accumulate the survival incomes payable and withdraw the same along with applicable interest anytime during policy term. This provides you financial freedom through liquidity when you need it the most. In case of an unfortunate event of death of the life assured during the policy term, the plan provides death benefit to the family, providing financial support in the time of need. On maturity, guaranteed sum assured on maturity plus terminal bonus, if declared, is payable along with accumulated deferred survival income, if any. Also, it offers 2 optional riders and tax benefits. Hence, you are secured for a lifetime and your savings will be available for your loved ones in case of your absence. This plan helps you upgrade your life constantly while protecting your family's future. करो पूरे अपने इरादे, अपनों से किए सभी वादे। SBI Life, अपने लिए, अपनों के लिए।